If you threw all your burned-out LED bulbs in the trash, you've made a mistake all your life. I will teach you how to recover them in an easy, simple, and economical way. Firstly, I'm going to show you that this lamp no longer lights up, and you'll need to open this part here. They are normally stuck together, and you may need the help of a cutter or knife to separate this part. After opening it, we need to identify which LED needs repair. To do this, we just need to look carefully. Check which of these LEDs is black. The one that is completely black means that this one is burnt out. Once identified, we will remove this part that I am showing you. We will also need a small piece of kitchen steel wool, which we all use at home. We will also need a small piece of electrical tape. Now we place this piece of steel on the LED that was not carrying current, and then fix it with insulating tape. Once this is done, our lamp will be ready, and you will save a lot of money, as you will not need to buy a new one. You will repair them yourself from now on. I hope this advice has been helpful to you. I've already shared it with as many people as possible, and we're all going to save money. A big hug and see you in the next video.